Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Lambda for pre-processing big data files. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lambda service. Click on the Create Function button. Choose the Author from Scratch option. Enter a name for your Lambda function. Select a runtime that fits your needs, such as Python or Node.js. Choose an appropriate execution role that has permissions for the services you will use. Click on Create Function to proceed. Once the function is created, scroll down to the function code section. Here, you can write or upload your pre-processing code. Ensure your code is designed to handle big data files efficiently. Use libraries suited for data manipulation, like pandas or NumPy, if working with Python. Next, scroll to the Configuration tab. Under the Triggers section, click on Add Trigger. Select the service that will invoke your Lambda, such as S3. Configure the trigger to specify the bucket and event type. For example, choose All Object Create Events to trigger the function on new file uploads. Click Add to save your trigger settings. Scroll down to Environment Variables if necessary, to set any required parameters for your function. Now, set your memory and timeout settings under the General Configurations section. Ensure the memory is sufficient for processing large files. Save your function configuration by clicking the Deploy button. Now navigate to the S3 service in your AWS console. Create a new S3 bucket if you don't have one already. Go to the bucket properties and enable event notifications. Select the option to trigger a Lambda function for new uploads. Specify the Lambda function you created earlier. Upload a big data file to your S3 bucket to test the function. Monitor the execution by checking the CloudWatch logs associated with your Lambda function. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.